Sri Gurubhyo Namah children, welcome to online training initiative Ekalaiva. Today we are going to discuss about organic chemistry. So we are having three different branches in chemistry, inorganic, physical and organic. So we are going to talk about organic chemistry today, which completely talks about carbon and its compounds. So especially we are going to talk about carbon and its compounds in organic chemistry. There are so many groups we are going to see in organic chemistry, so many families we are going to talk about in organic chemistry. So in this lesson particularly we are going to talk about alcohols, phenols and ethers. So in the beginning I am going to talk about alcohol. What is an alcohol? What is the general formula? What is the functional group? What is the classification? And we are going to talk about the nomenclature of these organic compounds also. It is very important lesson in board exam. So organic chemistry, this lesson particularly maximum of 5 marks will be asked from this lesson. So 5 marks you can expect from this lesson. So usually you will have MCQ from out of 5 marks, MCQs will be there, as well as 2 mark and 3 mark also there are expected questions, and some naming reactions are also there. Along with that we are going to see the mechanisms also. Are you ready children? So I want everybody to be ready with your notebook. So to start with, I am going to talk about alcohols. What are alcohols? Alcohols are compounds. Alcohols are compounds obtained by the from hydrocarbons by removing hydrogen atom from hydrocarbons, and substituting OH group. By removing hydrogen atom from hydrocarbons and substituting OH group. Okay. And substituting OH group, which is an alcoholic group. Okay. What is the functional group? The functional group of alcohol is OH. So it will have OH as the functional group. What is the general formula? If you add one R in front of the functional group, so if you insert one R in front of the functional group, it becomes the general formula. So what are alcohols? Alcohols are the organic compounds. What is the source of alcohols? Where we can get these alcohols? How can we prepare these alcohols? How we are obtaining? We are getting it from hydrocarbons. What are hydrocarbons? Compounds containing carbon and hydrogen. We can call it as hydrocarbons. So these alcohols are obtained from hydrocarbons by removing the hydrogen. So in hydrocarbons we are removing hydrogen atoms and we are substituting the alcoholic group. So what is the alcoholic group? OH group. So removal of hydrogen atoms from hydrocarbons and substituting OH group, we can call it as alcohols. So what is the functional group of alcohol? It is OH. Is the functional group of alcohol. What is the general formula? If you insert one R to the functional group, if you add one R to the functional group, it becomes the general formula. Let me see now the classification of alcohol. Classification of alcohol. So alcohols are classified into 3 different types. What are they? Aliphatic, aromatic and aralkyl. Aliphatic, aromatic and aralkyl. What is aliphatic alcohol? Alcohols containing bulky groups in their structure. Alcohols containing fatty groups Fat groups in their structure. Fat groups in their structure. What are these fat groups? These fat groups are, it can be methyl, it can be ethyl, it can be N-propyl. So all these are the bulky groups are fat groups. So alcohols containing fat groups in their structure, we can call it as, what is that? Aliphatic alcohol. So aliphatic means fat groups. So alcohols containing bulky groups or fatty groups in their structure. For example, it can be a methyl group, it can be a ethyl group, it can be an N-propyl group, so on, to be going on like that. I am giving one example. This is actually methane. What is this actually? It is actually methane. What I am doing? I am going to remove one hydrogen from methane. So one hydrogen is removed from methane and in the place of hydrogen OH is substituted. So how I am getting this alcohol? From hydrocarbon. So what is the compound I have taken here? This is actually methane. So it is a hydrocarbon, is it not? So how we are going to get alcohol from what is that, hydrocarbons? By removing hydrogen and substituting the functional group, is it not? So in methane, which is a hydrocarbon, there are 4 hydrogen. I have removed one hydrogen and substituted OH group in the place of hydrogen. So it becomes methanol. So it becomes an alcohol, methanol. So it is one of the example for what is that, aliphatic alcohol. So what is aliphatic alcohol? Alcohols containing fat groups in their structure. So what are these fat groups? Methyl, ethyl, N-propyl, isopropyl, tertiary butyl, like that so many groups will be there. How we are getting this alcohol? From hydrocarbons. What I have done? I have removed hydrogen atom of hydrocarbon and substituted by the functional group of alcohol, which is OH. The very familiar example, I started with methane, which is a hydrocarbon which has CH4, what is the molecular formula? There are 4 hydrogen atoms bonded to carbon. What I have done? I have removed one hydrogen and in the place of hydrogen OH is substituted, so it has become methanol. This is one of the example for aliphatic alcohol. What is aromatic alcohols? That is alcohols containing benzene ring in their structure. Alcohols containing benzene ring in their structure. So they will have benzene ring. A very familiar example I can give, a benzene ring where OH is attached to the benzene ring. I can call this compound as phenol. So for aromatic alcohols, what is that? OH group will be directly attached to the benzene ring. So when OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring, we can call it as aromatic alcohol. The very familiar example I can give, phenol. What is aralkyl group? Compounds containing aromatic as well as aliphatic ring. Compounds containing aromatic and alkyl groups. Aromatic and alkyl groups. For example, a compound is coming like this. A benzene ring is there. To the benzene ring, what is that? We can see a, what is that, aliphatic group attached. See here. See the attachment of OH. Here, the OH is attached to the, what is that, alkyl group. OH is attached to the alkyl group, which is a bulky group. So coming under aliphatic alcohol. See here, the OH is attached to the benzene ring. So it is a aromatic ring, aromatic compound, the compound that has what is that, pleasant smell. Moreover, this compound will have alternate single and double bond. Or you have seen the structure in the 10th and 11th standard. We have completely read about the structure of benzene. So OH is directly attached to the benzene ring. So very familiar example, I can give it as phenols. When you talk about aralkyl, what is aralkyl? There will be a benzene ring as well as alkyl group. So benzene ring is there. Apart from benzene ring, there is an alkyl group also. So OH is attached to the side chain. OH is attached to the side chain and the side chain is attached to the benzene ring. In the previous case, OH is directly attached to the benzene ring. OH is directly attached to the benzene ring. Whereas in the next case, OH is attached to the side chain and side chain is attached to the benzene ring. What is the example? What is the name of this compound? It is benzyl alcohol. So, benzyl alcohol C6H5 CH2OH. So, this C6H5CH2 we can call it as benzyl group. So, OH is attached to the side chain is attached to the benzene ring. We can give this under aralkyl alcohol. So, there are the three classification: aliphatic, aromatic, aralkyl. What is aliphatic? Alcoholic groups containing fat groups in their structure. Alcohols containing fat groups in their structure. What are the fat groups? Methyl, ethyl, propyl, tertiary butyl, isopropyl, isobutyl, neopentyl, etc. What are aromatic alcohols? OH group will be directly attached to the benzene ring. Here I can give example phenols where OH is directly attached to the benzene ring. The third one, aralkyl alcohol, there will be benzene ring as well as what is that side chain, aliphatic group is also there, aromatic group is also there. OH is attached to the aliphatic ring benzene, that is that alkyl group. Alkyl group is attached to the benzene ring, so we can call it as aralkyl alcohol. Under that I gave example benzyl alcohol. The next one, under aliphatic alcohols, again there are three classifications. Under aliphatic alcohols, there are three classifications. What are the three classifications? Monohydric, dihydric and trihydric alcohol. So, the other classification. So, under aliphatic alcohols, it is further subdivided into monohydric, dihydric and trihydric. Monohydric, dihydric and trihydric. Monohydric, dihydric and trihydric. What is monohydric alcohols? So, monohydric alcohols are those which has only one OH group. So, what is monohydric? Compounds containing one OH group in their structure. Compounds containing one OH group in their structure. So, compounds containing one OH group in the structure. So, we can call it as mono. Mono means what? One. So, compounds containing one OH group in their structure, we can call it as monohydric. The very familiar example is CH3OH. So, see here, there is only one OH group attached. So, we can call it as monohydric. What is the name of this compound? Methanol. Methanol. Okay. We can see the other classification. What is the next one? Dihydric. So, what is dihydric? Compounds containing two OH groups in their structure. Compounds containing two OH groups in their structure. There will be two OH groups, two alcoholic groups. Compounds containing two OH groups in their structure. So, we can call it as dihydric alcohol. For example, we can say CH2OH, single bond CH2OH. See here, there are two OH groups attached to the carbon. See, there are two OH groups attached to the adjacent carbon. One OH is attached to the first carbon, another OH is attached to the second carbon. Altogether, there are two hydroxy groups, two alcoholic groups which are attached to the adjacent carbon. What is the name of this compound? It is called as ethylene glycol. What is the name of this compound? Ethylene glycol. So, it is coming under dihydric alcohol. So, what is dihydric? There will be two OH groups attached to the, what is that, bulky group or fat group. So, here CH2OH, single bond CH2OH, it is nothing but ethylene glycol. What is trihydric alcohol? Compounds containing three OH groups. So, compounds containing three OH groups, we can call it as trihydric alcohol. Compounds containing three OH groups. So, we can call it as trihydric alcohol. Under trihydric alcohol, the very familiar example is, I am going to write the glycerol structure, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. There are, what is that, 3 hydroxy groups. See here, there are 3 hydroxy groups which are attached to the adjacent carbon atoms 1, 2 and 3. So, there are 3 hydroxy groups attached to the adjacent carbon atoms 1, 2 and 3. What is the name of this compound? I can call this as glycerol. So, this is an example for trihydric alcohol. So, this here I talked about the classification of alcohols, classification of aliphatic alcohols. First I gave the broad classification as aliphatic, aromatic and aralkyl. Once again I am going to divide the aliphatic alcohol into 3 types. What are they? Monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol and trihydric alcohol. What is monohydric alcohol? Alcohols containing, it is compounds containing only one OH group in their structure. So we can see only one alcoholic group in the structure. We can call it as monohydric alcohol. The very familiar example I gave, methanol, where only one OH group is there. The next one is dihydric alcohol. There will be 2 OH groups attached to the, what is that, bulky groups. So here the OH groups are attached to the adjacent carbon, that is one carbon 1 and carbon 2. What is the name of, what is the example I have given here? Ethylene glycol. The next one, compounds that has 3 OH groups. So here we can call it as trihydric alcohol. For trihydric alcohol I gave example glycerol, where the OH groups are attached to the adjacent carbons 1, 2 and 3. So this is first classification. The next one, aromatic alcohols, again I am classifying into, I am further classifying into monohydric, dihydric and trihydric. So aromatic alcohols, so are further classified into 3 main types. What are they? So under aromatic alcohols there are 3 classification: monohydric, dihydric and trihydric. Monohydric, dihydric and trihydric. Let me see the, what is the classification now? Under aromatic alcohol, again there are classifications as monohydric, dihydric and trihydric. So compounds containing, aromatic compound containing one OH group, containing one OH group. So I can give example. See here, OH is attached to the benzene ring, aromatic ring. So OH is attached to the aromatic ring. How many OH groups are present here? Only one OH group which is attached to the aromatic system. What is the name of this compound? This can be phenol or it can be hydroxybenzene. Hydroxybenzene. So this is an hydroxy group and benzene is the parent here. So hydroxybenzene, or it can be called as phenol. So this is an example for aromatic monohydric alcohol. What is aromatic monohydric alcohol? There will be benzene ring. What is aromatic? Presence of a benzene ring. Okay, benzene ring is there. What is monohydric? One OH group is attached to the benzene ring, aromatic ring. So aromatic monohydric alcohol, under that I gave phenol, or it can be called as hydroxybenzene. And what is dihydric alcohol? Aromatic compound containing 2 OH groups. Aromatic ring contains or containing 2 OH groups. When 2 OH groups are attached to the aromatic ring, we can call it as dihydric, aromatic dihydric alcohol. When 2 OH groups are attached to the aromatic ring, we can call it as aromatic dihydric alcohol. So aromatic ring containing 2 OH groups. So for example, we are going to see a compound like this. So here one OH, again another OH is attached. See here, there are 2 OH groups attached to the benzene ring or aromatic ring. How will you call this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So see the position of OH. So OH is attached to the first carbon, again OH is attached to the second carbon. The OH groups are attached to the adjacent carbon of the benzene ring. So how will you give the name? 1, 2 dihydroxybenzene. 1, 2 dihydroxybenzene. Okay, this is aromatic. What is that? Dihydric alcohol. The next one, aromatic ring containing 3 OH groups. Aromatic ring containing 3 OH groups. Containing 3 OH groups. So we can call it as aromatic trihydric alcohol. Aromatic trihydric, that is aromatic ring containing 3 OH groups. The very familiar example I can give it as OH, OH, again OH. So here you see the position of OH, they are attached to the adjacent carbon of the aromatic ring. So the first carbon has 1 OH, second carbon has again another OH, third carbon of aromatic ring, again one more OH is attached. What is the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3 trihydroxybenzene. 1, 2, 3 trihydroxybenzene. So this is again another example. So the first classification I told about the aliphatic, aromatic and aralkyl. So under aliphatic alcohol I gave example. Again under aromatic alcohol I gave phenol. And for aralkyl I gave benzyl alcohol. Then what is the next classification? I have taken aliphatic alcohol, I have further classified into 3. What are they? Monohydric, dihydric and trihydric. What is monohydric? Containing only 1 OH group, methanol, ethanol, propanol. What is dihydric? Compounds containing 2 OH group. For example, I gave ethylene glycol. In the third case, I gave 3 OH groups attached to the aliphatic group. So we can call it as trihydric alcohol. I gave glycerol as example. After that, I started to classify the aromatic alcohol into other classification. So aromatic alcohols are further classified into aromatic monohydric, aromatic dihydric, aromatic trihydric. What is aromatic monohydric? When OH group is attached to the benzene ring. Aromatic means what? Benzene ring, presence of a benzene ring. When only 1 OH group is attached to the aromatic ring, it is aromatic monohydric alcohol. The very familiar example I gave, phenol or hydroxybenzene, where parent is the benzene. In the second case, aromatic dihydric alcohol, where 2 OH groups are attached to the adjacent carbon of the aromatic ring. So I have given 1, 2 dihydroxybenzene. In the third case, there are 3 OH groups attached to the adjacent carbon of the aromatic ring as 1, 2 and 3. So I have named the compound as 1, 2, 3 trihydroxybenzene. So all these are coming under the classification of aromatic alcohol as monohydric, dihydric and trihydric. So up to this I am stopping today. If you like this channel, you please click the subscribe button. You will get the latest updates. Thank you children.